Hey, what's going on YouTube? About to do a quick video using this little tool right here. So if you don't have a computer, to put your vehicle in learn mode, which like I have a 2011, you usually can go over here to the dash and have everything come up that way, but on this one you can't access it. So turn the ignition on like you're about to start it. Go over here to your remote, hold the lock and unlock. Wait for the horn to beep. And time learner mode active. So take your handy dandy tool like so. Also too, the corresponding tire that you're gonna go to is gonna be lit. So for these wheels, I had to go back behind there. Once it beeps, go to the next one. According to this, we're on this side now. Same procedure. There it is. You can't see it, but I can see it. Okay, go back here. This side is lit, so I'm gonna go in here and do this from the same way. If it cuts off, just push it again. Okay, that one's done. Now, the last one. It's right there. And when you get the double beep, everything's successful. All right, come in here. Now, car information. Okay. And everything is showing that it's working. All right, as always. Okay, one more thing I mentioned before in another video that I did about this particular tool. This is less than $10. So if you replace your TPMS sensors or you get new wheels that have different TPMS sensors in it, but you want to program to your vehicle, this is a must. Get it, save yourself some money and some time. Like I said before, like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think about it.